Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing my Amazon package and this is Sgile's RC drift car. This is a drift car perfect for beginners. It includes 2 batteries which gives you 50 minutes of playtime. It can hit cool drifts, rocky terrain. It is so much fun to play with. I definitely recommend a perfect toy for boys or girls. So if you are interested, I will have the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have an amazing day, everyone. Bye!